Om Sri Ganganpati Namah. I pray Almighty God Ganesha, the Day Lord, and Ancestor Lords, as well as Gurujan, my teachers, motivators, and guides. Salute to all. Welcome you to the Varuna Astro and its presentation on days auspiciousness as per numerology, which are in two parts. This is the fifth part of the Dainik Panchanga in Hindi, which is produced daily. And all the suggestions, feedbacks received from those people, friends, viewers, some of the my gurus. So this special presentation is for those who are not fully conversant with the Hindi. So days auspiciousness as per numerology. Nowadays numerology is gaining much importance because numbers are very easy to understand. Numbers play important role in our life, right from the birth to the death. So when number imbalances, so many problems arises. When numbers are not properly synchronized with date of birth, then problem arises. So this number is very, very important. And that's why the first part of this presentation is in basic numerology learning concept, so that you can learn it and thereafter you can have thirst and hunger for learning the numerology. And numerology in this way will reach to each individual, each family, each house, so that remedial measures can be done at home in the today's fast life. So let us proceed there. So again, thanks for the Guru for guiding me and teaching all the top all the areas which are displayed here, and resultant effect of which I could acquire the medical even PhD degree in medical astrology and qualifications in the various subjects displayed here. My office is located at Patna, Udaipuri, and it is registered under Soft Establishment Act. It is GST compliant and certificated by ISO certificated by QRO. By virtue of the blessings as well as good wishes of the gurus and my well wishes, I could acquire the lifetime membership of the International Astrology Federation USA, the chapter. So let us now proceed to the main topic, that is basic numerology learning concept. In numerology, this is an introduction on numerology. In numerology, 1 to 9 digits, single digits are used. The zeros are ignored because zeros signifies indefinite uncertainty. And if you observe 1 to 9 number, each number has characteristics. 5 number is the middle number because it happens to be in the middle order of the between 1 to 9. So this special characteristic relates to these planets because these numbers are ruled by these planets. 1 is ruled by Sun, 2 by Moon, 3 by Jupiter, 4 by Rahu, 5 by Mercury, 6 by Venus, 7 by Ketu, 8 by Saturn, 9 by Mars. So if a number is missing in our birth chart, the energy of those planets may be missing. The prime number, which is the sum total of the birth date, I mean birth date component of the birth date, is known as prime number driver. And if whatever is the driver number in single digit, that planet rules the native, that is the characteristics of the native. Simultaneously, after adding all the numbers of the birth date, we get conductor, and the conductor, whatever number is there, it symbolizes the planet, and that planet particularly helps the natives in making careers and prosperity in future. So that is why the sum total of all the numbers of the date of birth is known as life number or conductor. And the main orbit moves on the prime number, which is the sum total of the only birth date component of the date of birth. So 1 to 9 number are ruled by various planets. Some number is missing, that energy of that planet is missing. And some number is in excess form, that planet's energy is in excess form, which is also harmful if it occurs more than twice. So all this in the kingdom of the planet and numbers, these numbers are known, named as in different names. One is known as king or government, two by queen, three by king's advisor, four by rule breaker, five by prince, six by minister, seven by spiritual guru, eight by Saturn, servant, worker or judiciary, nine by army or doctor. So all these related to this numbers, and the relationship between two numbers can be derived here also by applying the mind that 1 and 2 cannot be anti to each other. 1 and 3 cannot be anti to each other because they are correlated, but 2 and 3 may have some less business with 3. Similarly, 1 and 4 may be friend, but 2 and 4 not at all. 1 and 5, 2 and 5 friends. 1 and 6 friends, 2 and 6 also friends. But 1 and 7 friend, 2 and 7 may not be. 1 and 8, 1 and 8 are highly fatal to each other, and so 2 and 8 also. 1 and 9 friends, 2 and 9 enemy. Similarly, 4 relationship with the 4 also can be right. So 4 is very much anti to 2, 8 and 9, and 6 also. 3 is anti to 6 pattern, and some 8 number anti to 8, even first 8, 1, 9. Also 2. So in this way, this anti number can be derived of by applying the mind. Now a birth date has been taken as an example. This birth date is 19 June 1970. This has been taken, and when we add the prime number becomes 1, and which is driver, and conductor becomes 6. So 1, 9, 6, 1970 are added together, 33. We have got 3 plus 3 is 20. And angel number is coming as 3. So this native chart, if I prepare, next is after taking birth, we get some numbers by virtue of karmas of our mind or our relatives. So first and foremost task of the relatives are that they are naming us, and that name contains the number also. So if the name number goes anti with the driver or conductor, problem starts there. So how to convert the name or any word? So if alpha, the word contains alpha or letters, those letters have some numerical values. So those letters are replaced with their numerical values and then added together and converted into symbol. And in this way, this name is converted. So an example has been taken, Rahul here. So Rahul, if you call by this name, it becomes 8. So here, don't go by name, just see the system, how it works. So Rahul has been replaced, all the letters have been replaced with their numerical values, and the resultant effect is 70, and numerical value it comes to 8. Now one grid is placed here, 492, 357, 816. This is 3 to 3 grid, 9 consisting of 9 numbers ranging between 1 to 9. And this is a permanent place in this box. we have to put the dates from various date of birth, from driver, conductor, mobile number, name number, etc. And we will see how it works. So let us do the task here. In itself is very short. So one is here, one is taken, one is placed here. Second 9 is here, third 6 is here. So one again coming, 9 are repeated, 7 is there, and 0 is ignored. The driver is 1, so 1 came third prize. 6 is the conductor. 3 is the angel number. And if you see later on here itself, his name number goes on 9, actual name. So here 8, 5, 2, 4, these numbers are missing for this net. I can say this 4 is missing, 8 is missing, 5 is missing, and 2 is missing. In this way, this chart is prepared. See here 4 is not appearing. 4 is not appearing. 4 is blank here. 2 is blank here. 5 is blank. 8 is blank. So triple time 9, triple time 1, and double 6. So now what numbers are the different boxes are depicted? So the native southeast direction, northeast direction, center, as well as west direction appears to be vast indicative. But when center is affected, all the directions must be same. So what are the resemblance of this? The native wealth may be adversely affected, knowledge area affected, work and energy area affected, marriage and relationship are affected. And this is elaborate. So luck, money, discipline, self-worth, power, etc. lacking to this native. Knowledge, motivation, intuition, organized, stability, study, hard work, these are affected. Marriage, love, relationship, sensitivity, intuition, emotions, mother, maybe sick. So this is also adversely affected. 5, balance, stability, fortune, mental health, and freedom. This is also adversely affected for the native. So what are the remedial measures? Remedial measures are the element which are missing. Those elements should be used. So first and foremost task is to arrange for the earth metal. They are the softwood and hardware, softwood and soft metal. No, softwood and earth metal is required for the native. So native they can use the tulsi mala, etc. And for the earth metal, they take necessary corrections with the help of numerology. Name number should also, if it is corrected, that may help us. So, if we see intellectual plane for the native, intellectual plane consisting of topmost horizontal plane, it is merely 33% for the native. Emotional plane 66%, mid row. Practical plane again 66%, bottom row, because 8 is missing. So if you see here, vertical plane, hot plane is barely 33%. So native thought processes does not think too much, only speak without thinking. Sent to willpower plane again, the native willpower is adversely affected because only 66% is there. And action plane, only 6%. Golden Raj Yoga consisting of 4, 5, 6 is not there with that for the native because 4 and 5 these are not available to the native. This is missing. Silver Raj Yoga is completely missing because 8, 5, 2, all the numbers are. So in this way, this analysis is done. The native's mobile number or marriage mobile number, name number is given 9. That's why 9 was taken here. Mobile number is imaginary. That's why it is written. It is not been taken. So this birth date pertains to Mr. Rahul Gandhi. You can analyze what are the effects of this. Isn't it speaking the truth? So both can be elaborated from this date of birth. This is because time constraints, I cannot speak too much on the here. So you can also do the analysis who are the beginners in numerology because it is very easy to learn, easy to apply, and easy to identify the mistakes, take remedial measures. So if the newborn babies, children, are given suitable name from the beginning, that works. And then their starts comes from city, suitable house, suitable vehicle, suitable what you call mobile number. All these gives energy. Whatever numbers we are using, this gives us energy. Even password. So anti-password must not be selected. These are these are in alpha. One must select suitable password, favorable password, so that that particular purpose for which this password is used, this is purposefully, positively concluded. I mean, the result in the effect is positive from being D1 to the last. With this, now the presentation is time is saying to take you to the days auspiciousness as per numerology. So let us proceed there. Today is 17th July 2025. The driver is 8 and conductor is 6. 8 and 6 are friendly to each other and the 6 is anti to Jupiter. People born on 3, 12, 21, 30, that is prime number. So 6 number is anti to 3, and that's why those born on 3rd, 12, 21, 30th are adversely affected because of 6. Simultaneously, those born on 9th, 18, 27 with prime number 9, 6 is enemy to this. 6 is neutral to the number 2, that is 2, 11, 20, and 29th of any month. So the people born with prime number 3, 9, and 3 and 9 should be cautious, particularly 3 today. And those born on 9, with 9 prime number, they should also be on alert because they may be dragged into some controversy. In order to avoid, please be careful. So for this two number 3 and 9, it is cautionary advice to be careful today. The days for the person born on 2nd, 11, 20th, 29th of any month, prime number 2, ruler moon, since it is neutral relationship between 2 and 6. 40% result is expected. So they should be also be, their day will be actually good but satisfactory. Rest of the numbers are having good relations with prime number 1, having 1, 10, 19, 28 birth date, 4, 13, 22nd, 31st birth date, 5, 14, 23rd, 6, 15, 24th, 7, 16, 25th, and 8, 17, 26th of any month. These people will have good days today. The days will be very good, but 6 does not have any excellent relationship, past trend with any planet. So the days will be very good for those born with prime number 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And summaries, people born on 3rd, prime number 3rd, 12, 21, for 31st, 13, and 9, 18, 27. Anyone, this would be on card. Thanking you, wishing you all the best. And with this, the presentation comes to an end. Thanking you for watching. Yeah, and this contents of this presentation have been taken from various books, journals which I have gone through. Thank you to the Guru Arvind Sood sir for giving various formulas, which is very useful in numerology, neuroscope. And the images have been taken from Google, and this presentation reaches to you through YouTube. So if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe the channel, and also press the notification icon so that you can get the notification of all the posts and take advantage benefits from the post, and you will be beneficial from it. So with this, the presentation comes to an end. Last but not least, let, let us take this numerology to each house, each family, each individual, and that's why please share this with your friends, colleagues, relatives, and well-wishers so that they can also learn numerology, they can acquire numerology, adopt it, apply it, and remove the obstacles in their day-to-day life without running either and either. Thanking you, wishing you all the best. Good day for today. Tomorrow I'll be meeting with you again with this new presentation. Until then, take care. Have a good day. Wishing you all the best.